Okay, let's move to the question number 2. Solve the equation tangent inverse of 5x minus 3 is equals to negative 1 over 4 times pi. So it is given that tangent inverse of 5x minus 3 is equals to negative pi by 4. This is the tangent inverse. When we switch on the right side, it will be, so 5x minus 3 is equals to tangent of negative pi by 4. And by using calculator, you will find that tangent pi by 4 is negative 1. Okay, so we can say that 5x minus 3 equals to negative 1, and 5x is equals to negative 1 plus 3, which is equals to 2. So we have 5x equals to 2, and x is equals to 2 over 5, which is also equals to 0.4. So this is the solution of the given equation. Now part B, solve the equation 5 cos square theta is equals to 4 sin theta plus 4, where the theta is less than and equals to 2 pi and greater than and equal to pi by 2. We have the 5 cos square theta is equals to 4 sin of theta plus 4. And we know that cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So we can write it 5 times 1 minus sine square theta is equals to 4 sine of theta plus 4, and this one is equals to 5 minus 5 times of sine square theta is equals to 4 sine of theta plus 4. Switching right hand side term on the left side, we will have 5 sine square theta plus 4 sine of theta plus 4, then minus 5 equal to 0. So we have achieved the quadratic equation, which is 5 sine square theta plus 4 sine of theta minus 1 equal to 0. So this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. 5 times negative 1 equals to negative 5, and when we add 5 plus negative 1 equals to 4. So this equation can be written as 5 sine square theta plus 5 sine of theta minus sine of theta minus 1 equal to 0. Taking 5 sine theta common, we will have sine of theta plus 1, and negative 1 common, we will have sine of theta plus 1 equal to 0. So we have two factors, which is 5 sine of theta minus 1 times sine of theta plus 1. Okay, we have the two factor. To equate each with 0, we will have 5 sine of theta minus 1 equal to 0, and on the other side we will have sine of theta plus 1 equal to 0. And sine of theta is equals to 1 over 5, and this one is equals to 0.2. So theta in this case is equals to sine inverse of 0.2. On the other side, we will have sine of theta is equals to negative, and theta is equals to sine inverse of negative. It is given that theta should satisfy the range which is given, and this range is theta should be greater than and equal to pi by 2 and less than and equal to 2 pi. So this one is pi by 2 and this one is 2 pi. So the given range should be from here to here. Means angle should be in second, third and fourth quadrant, not in the first quadrant. Secondly, we have the sine function, and we know that sine function is positive in first and second quadrant and negative in third and fourth quadrant. So 1 over 5 is the positive value, so this angle should be in first or second quadrant, where the range given that the angle should not be in first quadrant. So we need to find the angle in second quadrant, because the positive value only exists in first and second quadrant, and first quadrant angle will not satisfy the given range. Similarly, theta is equals to sine inverse of negative 1. It is negative value, so it should be in third or fourth quadrant. Now let's calculate the value. Theta is equal to sine inverse of 1, so theta is equals to 3 pi by 2. This angle here. So this angle satisfies the given range of the angle. And when we plug the value of pi, which is 3.14, we get 4.7123. Now let's find out the another value. When we use the calculator, we will get theta is equals to the 0.2013, and this angle belongs to the first quadrant, okay, which does not satisfy the given range. And this angle, it's also the base angle. So if we want to find the angle in second quadrant, we will use the formula that is pi minus base angle. So we can use this information to find the angle in second quadrant. So angle in second quadrant is equals to pi minus base angle, and we know that pi minus base angle, which is we just calculated, which is 0.2013. Plug in the value of pi and we will get 3.149 minus 0.2013, and theta is equals to 2.940. So this is the angle which satisfies the given range. So angle here, which is 2.940. Another case, we get the angle which is 4.7123 or 3 pi by 2. So we have the solution equals to the theta, which is 2.940 or 4.7123.